What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In this video, I'm going to be covering some brand new job leads or brand new opportunities. And before I actually get into these new opportunities, which are going to be completely remote, I just want to review some other opportunities that I made videos about. These job leads or job listings are still open right now. And so I think that you guys could probably still look at some of these because you may be interested, but probably you just missed these videos for whatever reason. So the first one is going to be a data analyst position right here. This is a remote data analyst position, and all you needed for this was a associate degree in science or a related field. 4-year degree was preferred. 1 to 2 years experience in regulatory industry experience or industry environment rather. Experience with Microsoft Office, which is Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint. Experience with data wrangling or reporting software. And I'll actually leave the link down below to my second channel, which has videos going in details about this job, the benefits, the pay, and this is a 100% remote position. So this is something that you guys should definitely look into. Now, another position that I posted on my other channel, the work from home channel, was this position right here. It's a accent advisor. And basically in this job, what you do is you help people who already know the English language, but they're from a different country, or they spoke, or their native language is not English. And so they're trying to improve on their American accent. And so they want North American native speakers, like people from the US and Canada, to help them improve their accent. So for this, you get paid up to $25 per hour. It is remote and it's really flexible. You could be late, you could take time off, you could cancel last minute. You won't go through any penalties for those, and classes are 24/7, so you can do this just about any time you want. So this was another flexible job that I covered on the work from home channel, brand new job lead here. So if you missed out on these, definitely go over, take a look and apply, because you may like some of the positions that you see there. Also, this is the channel, the work from home channel right here. On this channel, I'm currently posting brand new companies, brand new job leads every single day. So again, work from home accent advisor, $25 an hour, data analyst, $33 an hour, credentialing or enrollment specialist, $26 an hour, data entry without using phones, $6,000 per month. Many jobs here, jobs in data entry, jobs in live chat, jobs in healthcare, jobs in insurance, jobs in sales, even call center remote jobs that really don't require any experience. They provide you with paid training and you can make some good money. So again, if you're looking for a remote work from home type of job, whether it's full-time remote from home, part-time remote from home, or just a flexible type of job where you can do it whenever you have the free time, then definitely be sure to go over to the work from home channel and subscribe to that channel, because that is where you'll find these daily job leads. And also, when you do subscribe, be sure to tap the notification bell. That's the only way that you will get notified, and you definitely want to be notified as soon as I post these new job leads, so you can apply or be one of the first to apply to these jobs before the listing gets pulled. Also, quick reminder, or another quick reminder, I want to remind you guys of the pro resume templates right here. Professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system, which simply means that your resume won't be filtered out, discarded by the system. Actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review, which is what you want. So this will land you a lot more interviews and in turn get you a lot more job offers. So this template kit here includes 3 resume templates with instructions. You can use all 3 templates if you want, or you could choose the one you like the most. You can customize them, and they come broken down into sections with section by section instructions. This way you get to customize them while the template or while the resume still remains ATS optimized. So that's why we have these instructions here. Also, 3 matching cover letter templates, 3 matching reference page templates, and matching thank you letters. Everything fully customizable using Google Docs, which is free. So this resource is here if you need it. Link is down below. But with all that covered, let's dive into the job leads for today. So first of all, there was a job here. It was a outside or outbound sales representative that I covered probably 4 days ago. And actually, there's some other positions at this company, Lifeline Screening. So there was the outbound sales representative. Now they have an inside sales representative. They also have a health services coordinator and also a senior staff accountant. And all these positions are remote, so you could actually go through the list here, see which ones or which one you think is a better match for you, and then you can apply to these jobs. But we're going to be looking at the inside sales representative position right here, but I will leave the link to the jobs page here. That way you can go through all the job listings and see if there's anything else that you actually want to apply to. So the inside sales representative here, it is a remote full-time job. You get a 401k plan with the employer match. You get PTO, medical, dental, vision, and a health savings account. Those are just some of the benefits here. Now, as a inside sales rep, what you'll be doing here is you'll be responsible for educating callers about the benefits of early health screenings and additional services available here. To work in this job, these are the requirements. They will provide you with all equipment, so that is a plus. So you'll get a computer, monitor, phone, etc. Also, you get 3 weeks of paid training, which is virtual, again, remote. So this is a really great opportunity here. Monday to Friday, or work Saturday with Friday and Sunday off. So a little bit of flexibility here. Day, afternoon, and evening full-time schedules available. The only downside I could find was that this job doesn't pay the most. It's $13 to $14 per hour. However, there are incentives here, so that rate goes up. And in addition to that, there's a referral bonus program where you can earn additionally from that as well. So you can make more money than $14 per hour, but that is the base pay here. Now, as for the requirements for this job, these are all the requirements: the desire to work in a sales environment, stable job history with no job hopping, competitive mindset to meet and exceed performance sales goals, satisfactory completion of a pre-employment drug screen and criminal background check, must have a minimum internet speed of 50 megabits per second, designated work area in your home free of noise and distraction, and high school diploma required. Some college would be preferred. So you don't need a college degree and you don't need tons of experience. All you really need is good time management skills, a home office or somewhere you can work from at home, and you can actually do this job. Again, paid training, and they also provide you with equipment. So this is really a great opportunity, especially for anyone who hasn't really set up their work from home office or workspace. We're looking for a job. You can actually start without actually having to go out there and buy any equipment. So get your foot through the door, so to speak. So great opportunity here. Now, you probably never heard about this company before, Lifeline Screening. I was able to find them on Glassdoor, and here their inside sales representatives, based on 5 salaries submitted, make on average around $48,000 per year. Range is $41,000 to $58,000. So this is higher than that $13 to $14 per hour. This is more like $20 per hour. So with base pay, incentives, referrals, and all that stuff, you could actually make a whole lot more here. They have over 270 reported salaries and over 230 reviews. So you could go ahead and take a look at this company, see what other people had to say here, and that will help you in determining if you actually want to apply for one of these positions. And again, they have this position, the inside sales representative position, and they also have other positions here as well that you can apply to. Links are down below in the description. So with that said, that was the job lead for today. I also just posted a brand new job lead on my other channel, the Work From Home channel, as a customer support supervisor. So if you're interested in that, be sure to go over to that channel and check that video out. Brand new job lead just posted. Be sure to subscribe to that channel, because I will be moving all the work from home related content over to that channel. I'll be using this channel for a different purpose. So if you are here primarily for work from home jobs or work from home related content where you can make money online from home, definitely go over and subscribe to the Work From Home channel. But with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.